Augustine of Hippo de Praedestinatione Sanctorum, Episode 16. Nam scripta sunt etiam fidei eius initia, suntque ecclesiastica celebri lectione notissima. Now Augustine gives a reason for the sentiment in the previous episode. You'll have to watch that part. And he says, for, as a matter of fact, they are written down as well, scripta sunt etiam, his faith's beginnings, initia. And they are, by an ecclesiastical, well-known or famous reading, lectione, they are quite familiar, notissima. So that's taking these words in the order in which they appear. A more natural English word order would be as follows. For the beginnings of his faith, fidei eius initia, are also written down, and they are very well known or very familiar by a particular celebri, or a celebrated, broadcast, ecclesiastical reading, lectione. Now let's look at some of the grammar. We start with the conjunction nam, and then we have scripta, which is a neuter plural nominative. It's a neuter plural nominative, and it's the predicate of initia combined here with sunt. So if we take scripta sunt together, then we have a third plural, perfect, indicative, and passive from the third conjugation verb scribo, scribere, like so. The subject then, initia, in the neuter plural nominative, just like its predicate, of course, scripta. And then we have fidei, which is a feminine singular genitive. It's a fifth declension noun. And eius is showing possession. Eius is a masculine singular genitive because it refers to the Apostle Paul. So the beginnings of the faith of him, of his faith, have also been written down, etiam scripta sunt. And sunt, again, they are notissima. Now, notissima is a neuter, plural, nominative because it is agreeing with initia and with scripta, and it is in the superlative degree. So remember that adjectives come in 3 degrees. There are positive adjectives, there are comparative adjectives, and of course there are superlative adjectives, and that's what this one is. The positive degree is notus a It's related to the verb nosco, which means to know something. So the beginnings, the initia, are very well known, notissima. Now how are they known? Ecclesiastica celebri lectione. These 3 are feminine, singular, and ablative of instrument, by means of. So instrumenti. Lectione is a third declension noun. These 2 are adjectives. Ecclesiastica is a first and second declension adjective, and celebri is a third declension adjective. If you enjoyed that little video lesson, please go ahead and subscribe for us, click the bell, and so forth. Check out the other videos on this page, leave a comment, and please be sure to check out our Patreon page as well.